Hello everybody, my name is VirusLittle, and I am back to bring you guys another video. Today we will be looking at the first video in my Windows ME series. Today we will be looking at Windows ME pre-beta build 2348. Now right off the bat, the setup has changed just a tiny bit. If you guys remember back from my Windows 98 series, the setup looks pretty much the same as Windows 98. However, with a couple differences, the branding for Windows 98 is pretty much gone in this setup. Here we have Windows Millennium instead of Windows 98, so that's very nice. So they changed that. We usually don't see that very early on in operating systems. We usually see the code name. However, in Windows Millennium Edition, the code name was Millennium, so you can see that. So here we go. There's a couple of new things that came up. They want us to make a Millennium startup disk, so we did that. So now it's going to copy up some files. I'm going to make a couple jump cuts here because I don't want to bore you guys with all this. The splash screen is also different, so you can see Windows Millennium. Here we go. I could not get the display drivers to work on here. I've tried it both in VM and in VirtualBox, and I could not get the drivers for the display to set up well. So unfortunately, you guys are gonna have to deal with the standard resolution. However, in my upcoming builds, I did get to have the actual display drivers to work correctly, and I switched from VirtualBox to VMware, so it's going to be a lot easier for you guys to see that. Anyways, let's take a look at the first build. This is a pre-release, this is a pre-beta build, it's a development release. It's the second development release in the Windows ME series. It has some changes. Here we go. As you can see, it looks mostly like Windows 2000 from its partner operating system. And here we go. So a little bit of changes here. We saw the setup changes. It removed the welcome to setup dialog boxes. Windows Media Player was upgraded to version 7. It incorporated automatic updates, and I forgot to note this. Now, after Windows ME, after I'm done with my Windows ME series, you guys will be able to see the Windows Neptune series, the first build of Windows Neptune. I've been wanting to do that for such a long time, and I've finally been able to get around to it. There's a little note on the Windows ME series. Some of these builds of Windows ME actually contain files from the Windows Neptune development stages, from when Windows Neptune was being developed at the time, which is very nice, which is pretty cool. It was actually very nice to know that. I don't have a specific date when this build was compiled, but from the BIOS date, I can tell you guys right around where it was possibly compiled. The BIOS date on this is August 3rd, 1999, so about in August, which is very nice. As you can see, some things have changed here. We're going to go to Internet Explorer. Hopefully something pops up. And the shortcut doesn't look like it's working very well. Okay, so that's not working for some reason. I don't know why. Oh, there we go. So, gonna set up the internet connection, set it to LAN, gonna go connect to the local area network, going back to the internet mail account, and completing the network connection wizard. Okay, cool. So, Microsoft cannot find server. Okay, let's try going to Google, see what happens here. Let's see. It's taking a long time. Internet Explorer cannot open the search page. Okay, so I guess IE is broken. It doesn't want to work here. So the start menu, nothing too big has actually changed during these builds. Everything is relatively the same. Only a little bit of branding has changed. Some things here and there have changed. Here's my computer. Let's see, we've got the Windows 98, Windows ME style graphics right there on the side, as you can see. So Windows directory, and let's see. These files contain files that you're okay. Let's continue. Let's go right into it. So it looks like everything looks really the same. Nothing's too different. Nothing's too different. Everything's relatively the same. It is a developer release. It is early in development, and it's basically, I think this is an offshoot when Windows 2000 was in development too. So I believe, I forgot what, I forgot what build range it was probably in. I want to take a shot in the dark, and I want to say it's around build 1891, I believe, of Windows 2000. That's where it's kind of going to. Let's go to Windows Update. See, I don't think Windows Update's actually going to work. If it does, that'd be very nice. And this page cannot be displayed. Okay, so can't get updates. So we still have the regular games. Everything else looks relatively the same. Icons look pretty much the same. Let's go to System 32 folder. It is a little sluggish for some reason. I don't know why. So the System 32 folder only has drivers. Okay. So I think what would be better is to go to the System folder, I believe. So we're going to find the majority of the things that we need. So here we go. System folder. Show files. Come on. Alright, let's see. Everything looks like it's in order. Oh, jungle. I didn't see that. The other builds. Here we go. Task manager I saw. Or manager. Computer manager, I believe. Let's see. Just DLLs. Or saw.ver. Okay. Recycle bin looks like regular old recycle bin. Online services. I believe this is, yeah, America Online. AT&T. My documents, there's probably nothing in my documents, actually. My pictures, I don't think they have any sample pictures at all this time. Nope, but everything looks relatively, it looks nice at least. It's nice and kind of clean, I guess. It is a little buggy. I did have a little bit of problem starting this build up. I did have to reinstall it a couple times to get it to actually work and do what I wanted to do. Let's go to help and support. Windows Help still has the Windows 98 branding on it. Okay. So, yeah, okay. Let's see what else. And I think that's about it, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'm sorry for it being a bit of a short video, but there's other builds in the Windows ME series that have a lot more changes around them and are actually a lot more exciting. It's just pretty nice. This is just the start of it. Gotta start somewhere. Sounds is a little different. That icon wasn't in the Windows 2000 series. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. Please rate, comment, and subscribe. Like button, subscribe, and share so other people can enjoy the videos. Thank you guys so much for watching, and as always, Virus Alert, signing off.